So do apologize for brief interruption during in the video. I had to make a part two. So like I was saying, in Indonesia it's used as an anti-convulsant. Many other places use to treat bronchial asthma. It's usually treat catarrh, and it has, it has a wide array of benefits. Like I said, wide array of benefits. But the leaves, as I said, can be used as an antimicrobial. The flowers can be used as an abortifacient, and also the seeds can be used as an abortifacient. So here it is, the pride of Barbados. And in Barbados, it's used as a plant that as a fence to keep the fences. That's why it's called flower fencing in Barbados. See, this one is very tall. This is a yellow variety here, and this one is a red one, looks like a peacock. These two, unfortunately, I met these two here together, orange and red, and gold tinged. So like I've been saying in these videos, we have quite a lot of plants here in St. Vincent. Quite a lot of plants. Yep, quite a lot of plants. So thanks for watching again.